everyone. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Jessica, and I'm an Avon Independent Sales Representative. I just first wanted to thank y'all for tuning in and welcome if you have never seen my channel before. So please like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to do an Avon unboxing. Hold on, guys. Let me turn it to the right side. And first, I want to just say I'm very sorry. I know it has been so long since I have done an Avon video. I've been so busy with schoolwork, my kids' remote learning stuff, and it has just been crazy. Second, if you hear any background noise, I'm sorry. Of course, like I said, my kids are remote learning, so they are home. Okay, so after all that, let's get started. So, let's see. Oh, mercy. In this box, I have some Wild Country Aftershave Splash. I have two of these, actually. Which smells really good for the guys. I also got some weird perfume samples. I have Imari, the skin softener cream. Just look at that. That packaging is so pretty. That red and gold, I love it. I have Avon Moisture Therapy, Intensive Healing and Repair. Now, this is really good if you have really dry skin, and I have really dry skin, so I love that cream. I would highly recommend if you have issues with dry skin. I also have Studio 1886, which is some of our new cologne for men. This stuff really smells good. I love it. So, and guys, it smells amazing. So, I would recommend for all the men out there because it smells really good. I also have my little Avon campaign, like the outlet booklets, the sale booklets. I have some of those. I have my goodbye booklets, or goodbyes. Not like goodbye, you know what I mean. Oh, my Avon What's New. I might do a sneak peek in this, guys. I'll have to show y'all what's new. Another video for another day, right? My Avon Campaign 5 book. And I forgot to show you some Avon. Look, I got stuff just magically appearing in the box. Avon True Color eyeliner. And some Avon True Color lipstick. And that is all I have in my box. I was just going to make sure nothing else was going to magically appear. So, that was it for my Avon unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it was nice, short, and sweet. If y'all can, just like and subscribe. You can reach me on my Avon or my Facebook page. I will link my social media down below. And again, my name is Jessica, and I'm an Avon Independent Sales Representative. And thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all got some snow. I'm sorry, I know I'm babbling on. But I hope you all enjoy y'all's snow day. We didn't get too much here. My kids were so upset. The snow melted so fast. But I hope you all got some snow. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.